Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're having a Slack email verification problem, maybe you're not receiving the verification email, or Slack keeps asking you to verify, don't worry. This is usually caused by email filters, wrong addresses, or server delays. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1, check your email address. Make sure you're entering the correct email associated with your Slack account. Even small typos can prevent verification emails from arriving. Step 2, check spam or junk folders. Sometimes Slack emails end up in spam or promotions folders. Open your email account and search for messages from no reply at slack.com. Step 3, resend the verification email. In Slack, click Resend Verification Email. Wait a few minutes and check your inbox again. Step 4, whitelist Slack email domain. Add at slack.com to your email safe sender list or contacts to ensure it doesn't get blocked or filtered. Step 5, try a different browser or device. Occasionally, browser extensions or cache can block verification links. Open Slack in another browser or device and request the verification email again. Step 6, clear browser cache. Corrupted cache can cause verification pages to fail. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then retry verification. Step 7, check email server delays. Corporate or custom email servers may delay or block automated emails. Wait a few minutes or contact your email admin to allow Slack messages. Step 8, contact Slack support if needed. If verification still fails, reach out to Slack support. They can manually verify your account or troubleshoot email delivery issues. Most email verification problems come from wrong addresses, spam filters, or server delays, and these steps solve nearly all of them. Follow these steps, and your Slack account should be verified successfully. See you in the next guide.